Okay guys, last part of the VCT series here, and I'm going to show you how to make this outside radius cut. Ignore the square there, I just did that. And I made this crooked just to show, you know, a crooked straight cut, radius curve, a straight cut, and coming up and U-ing around this wall opening here. So I've got my towel set just like we were going to trim anything else. Right here, I want to put this towel right on my mark, which represents a wall, and I'm going to mark it down here. Make sure you see that. Mark it down here, and then I'm going to come up here to where the curve starts. Now, to make sure you keep everything square, you know, you can take another towel or you can measure and just make sure that your towel is square this way or that way. So I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm going to make a mark here where my curve starts, and then just every, here like this, every ½ inch or so, make you another little dot, and then just keep that corner going around your square at small intervals. Say, try to make sure it's square on top of your other towel. And you basically just keep going around and connect the dots. Now this radius stops right there, so that'll be my last dot. Now right here, I will kind of connect my dots, put it down to there. And now where I made that mark down here, in my first radius dot, I'll go ahead and make a mark. Now I can transfer it over to this towel. And get this part. Whoop, it's got a crack in it there. And I can make me a line there. And then I'll move it over to here. Line her up on that wall right here. Make my mark. Now I'm hoping you can see that. Let me make it a little darker here. There's your outside radius. Now when you cut it, I got to get my heat gun going, get it warmed up. Although I may not need it. It's 96 degrees outside. It's probably 110 in this warehouse. And because I can't just score it and snap it, because we have multiple cuts, I'll take the heat gun, warm it up a little bit. My utility knife will go right. I got my handy dandy heat gun here, and you don't want to scorch anything. You don't want to burn it, scorch it. You want to heat it up, soften it a little bit. You use a blowtorch or a hair dryer. Heat it up along the back there a little bit too. Get her good and warm and soft. Like I say, you cut it a little bit fat, you know, a little rich. And when you put it in place, if it's too tight, then just go back, trim a little bit more off. Start right here with a straight cut. May not be warm enough. And I got a carpet knife here today instead of a utility knife. Warehouse guys using my utility knife. I'm going to go around that curve. Connecting the dots straight on down the wall. Down this wall. Heat that up a little bit more. Cut right on through. Around. Remove your excess piece. This tile's a little bit bigger than the gray tiles. So. There you go. Right in there. Followed that black line perfect, and you just do the same thing to inside radius cuts. Now, on an inside radius cut, you can't get your whole tile in there all the time. So you can, take you a 2-inch piece, put a bevel on the edge of it, so that point can get up into tight spaces, leaving you your 12-inch gauge, and it should work fine. So there you have it. That's the end of my VCT tile series until I get a chance to get on a big job and show you how we actually go in a room, prep the floor, lay out the lines, how fast we can lay it using these techniques. Till then, thanks for watching, guys.